everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef, and today we are making Cajun chicken quesadilla, which is a Mexican delicacy and also our first video of the comforting home food playlist. Please watch this video till end and hit the notification bell to watch the latest video. Let's start making it. Firstly, we are going to prepare Cajun spice marinade. In a bowl, add all other ingredients and combine it well. Add more oil if it is too dry. Few things are unavailable, then replace cayenne powder with red chili powder and paprika with Kashmiri red chili powder. Taste will be similar but not the same. Replace onion powder with minced shallots or chota pyaaz in Hindi, but for the best result use exact same ingredients with same measurements. Time to butterfly chicken. Butterfly chicken breast gives a uniform thickness which is ideal for cooking. Put your chicken on a chopping board and with your hands flat top on it, use a sharp knife to slice into thicker side of the breast and ending at the thin side. Be very careful. Do not cut all the way through to the other side. Open the breast so it resembles like a butterfly. Now cover it with a plastic wrap. Use meat mallet or a rolling pin, also called belan in Hindi, to lightly pound the chicken for even thickness. Put the chicken in a Ziploc bag and smear the marinade on top of it, covering whole breast from both sides. Put it in a cooler for minimum half hour and maximum 2 hours. I will be sharing few cooking tips shortly. Now for cooking our marinated chicken, we are using a technique called searing or browning the chicken surface on high temperature on both sides. By doing so, Maillard reaction takes place in which outer surface reacts with the high temperature. Use all the moisture and sugar to caramelize and coats with a brown layering and lock all the juices inside. Then cook it on a low flame for another 2 minutes or until almost cooked, as there will be a carry over cooking. Let it rest for good 5 to 10 minutes so it can absorb all the juices, and then slice it on a bias and cut smaller pieces if required. Now we are going to quickly saute our chopped onion and green pepper on a high heat for about 20 to 30 seconds so it stays crunchy. Here is a cooking tip. Poultry is difficult to cook than other meat, and you can ruin your dish completely if you do not keep these following things in mind. Chicken breast has fewer connective tissues, less fat, and cooks really fast. My one chicken breast weighs 250 grams, but not necessarily you will get the same. Now heat a pan on a medium-low heat. Put tortilla dark side down. Then add generous amount of cheese, covering whole tortilla. Once cheese starts melting, add sauté vegetable and Cajun chicken on the half of the side. Then flip other half tortilla on top of it and fry it on both sides until golden brown. Use little butter if required. The idea is cooking the thick part without drying of the bottom part or thin part. For cooking whole chicken breast, pick big size, and for the best taste use it up in 24 hours. Pound carefully without breaking connective tissues. As mentioned earlier, it has few. Try as much to thin down the strong area, which is the top to the middle, until it is even with bottom part. See, fry really nice. How crunchy it is looking right now. Now let's cut it into 4 slices and enjoy it with salsa and sour cream or as it is. I am coming up shortly with other varieties of quesadilla and basic salsa recipe. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative cooking videos. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notification of latest videos. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.